Something bad is about to happen to me. I don't know what, but I feel
Ako, si Juan.
might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just hope she don't wanna leave.
Gusto ko lang naman kasi gumaling sa pagsulat. Pangarap ko kasi ang maging isang manila.
Please don't give up on me. I belong with you, only you, baby. Only you, my girl, only you, baby. Only you, darling, only you, baby. Only you, my girl, only you, baby. Only you, darling, only you. Something bad is about to happen to me. Why I feel
Meron ako naiisip na kwento ng isang batang lalaking nagngangalang Bukas.
so much it drives me crazy. I just don't